My shoes. I always kapahaka in bare feet. I reckon that's the way to go. Jarden's got to join us shortly. If he's in shoes, that's because we often use this deck for building. We do our little building projects out here, and there's some screws and some little spikes and stuff always stuck in the deck somewhere. So here we go. Whenever we start our karakia, we always mihi to each other. I'm going to say, Mauri ora tamariki ma, and then your response is, Mauri ora matua whaitiri. Do you want to give that a go? Mauri ora tamariki ma. Mauri ora matua whaitiri. Kapa. And when we mihi to each other, we're acknowledging each other, and that's a fantastic way to start. The second thing we do is we karakia. No words on the board today, so you're going to have to listen to the words, follow the actions. Here we go. Kia hora te marino, kia whakapapa pounamu te moana, kia tere te karohirohi, i mua, i tō huarahi. Ti hei, mauri ora. He rawe. Rawe tō koutou karakia i te ata nei. So, let's warm up our voices with a few little waiata that we've been doing over the last 3 sessions. Get my poi out of the way. Let's tuck that over there. Here we go. How about we start with our vowel sound song? Haka mana para tawanga wha. E heke mene pere te uenge whe. I heke mene pere te uenge whi. O hoko mono poro tōngo who. A e i o u. Uhuku munu puru tōngo whu. How'd you get on? Kapai? Are you ready for a super fast? Of course you are. Here we go, whānau. See if I can't take it up a key, eh? Ahaka mana. How's that? Better for the kids? Here we go. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. Eke mene pere te wenge whe. Iki mini piri te wenge whi. O hoko mono poro tō wongo pop. A e I o u. Uku munu pere tu enuku. Kia ora. I bet you kept up with that one. He rawe. Let's move on now to tū tira mai ngā iwi. And if you can remember the actions, ka pai, action along. If not, feel free just to sing along. Ka pai. Tū tira mai ngā iwi, we all know it. Tarwha, tū tira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tū tira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia papatahi, kia patahira, tātou tātou e. Tātou, tātou, puriti aki amo, he au e hui. Ka pai te waiata tamariki mahe raue. I love that song. Beautiful waiata, and you sing it so well. Are you ready to move on to the next waiata? This waiata is pūrerehua, and we'll be using it later today in the poi. So here we go. Toru wha, pūrerehua, rereru ngā hau. Papaki parirau, rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papaki parirau, rereru ngā hau. ka piki rungarawa e. Papa ki pariro re re rungaho. Rawe. Ka pai whānau. So, that's the Whaitiri part out of the way. We should be warmed up vocally. Hopefully the tinana is a little bit mahana as well from doing those actions. I know a lot of you know those actions, the pūrere who are already. Put my raku to the side. Kai hea taku poi. Where's my poi gone? Ah, this cheeky fella, eh? Okay, am I getting black and red today? Yeah. Okay. So let's have a look at our poi whānau. Just take a second to grab your poi while I do a quick shout out to Koro Nui School, Caden, Mason, and I've got Erana logging in as well. Kia ora whānau. Welcome to Kapahaka for Kids. So here it is. This is a poi. And I can just hear that the neighbours have started up some kind of machinery. It sounds like a saw. If it gets too annoying for you, audio-wise, let us know in the comments, okay? Say it after me. Mahunga.
Mahunga.
Kaki.
Kaki.
Tinana.
Tinana.
Fiore.
Fiore.
Mahunga.
Mahunga.
Kaki.
Kaki.
Tinana.
Tinana.
Fiore.
Fiore.
Head.
Head.
Neck.
Neck.
Body.
Body.
Tail.
Tail.
Ka pai. Those are the 4 parts of our poi. When we hold the poi, we don't want to hold the fiore. The fiore is not the handle. The fiore is the decoration that just sits out the bottom of your hand. So holding the poi in the hand that you write with, ka pai, and it should be popping out just through the top of your pincer grip. Ka pai? So here we go. I'm going to put one hand on my hope, and my poi hand, I'm just going to start my rotation. If this seems a little bit repetitive from yesterday, whānau kei te pai, this session is all about going through those basics of the poi again so that people can tune in anytime, do a quick poi catch-up session, and then rejoin us. Ka pai? So you'll see that I'm right-handed, so my poi is travelling clockwise. If you're right-handed, your poi should be travelling clockwise as well. Ka pai? If you're left-handed, you can go anti-clockwise, and that's going to put the poi into your palm when we get to the catching stage. Okay? So, huri ana te poi. Put your free hand on the hip. Sassy hip if you must. Ka pai? And here we go. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi, ki runga. That's up. Ki runga. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi, ki raro. That's down. Ki raro. Erere runga, erere raro, erere roto, erere waho, erere taku poi, erere taku poi, ki runga. That's up. Ki raro. That's down. Ki roto. That's in. Ki waho e. That's out. Ka pai whānau. Let your poi come to rest. Kia ora. Hope. Let's do erere taku poi one more time. This time, as you're spinning your poi, you'll notice that there's a perfect rotation. Yeah? If you go too fast, you exert too much energy. It looks a little bit weird, actually. And if you go too slow, then your poi will fall out of orbit. Ka pai? You want to apply just enough rotational momentum to the poi to allow it to travel in a consistent orbit. Here we go. Erere taku poi toru wha. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi, ki runga. Ki runga. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi, ki raro. Ki raro. Erere runga, erere raro, erere roto, erere waho, erere taku poi, erere taku poi, ki runga, ki raro, ki roto, ki waho e. Beautiful. Now when your poi stops, it's going to fall just in to vertical. Ka pai? This is gravity. This is Mother Nature asking us to stop the poi in this position. Let's grab a slightly longer one so you can see that effect better. Ka pai. So, in the vertical position. Ka pai. Also, kia ora Molly, Rose from Normandale. Lynn and Art tuning in again. Got your poi there, Art. Yeah, got the socks out. And Pānapa and the whānau. Kia ora koutou, no mai, haere mai, kapahaka for kids. Kia ora. So, I'm going to take my free hand in from the side. I'm going to grab my poi. And whenever I stop my poi, this is the position that I'm aiming for. The vertical hand coming in from the side. Ka pai? So if I'm holding my general spin, just as I get ready for the catch, the rotation slows and I snap into the catch. If you find it hard to catch, you can actually catch it by the string. Ka pai? And if you need to, that's okay. And then as you get a little bit better, you can start making your way down to the upoko. I actually like to catch my poi about halfway between them. I try to wrap my hand in around the kaki, so I'm grabbing string and poi. Ka pai? That's a little bit tricky, but it is consistent, so you can catch with your eyes closed. Ka pai? So here we go, whānau. Let's start off with 10 catches. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, teko, ka pai. Now let's just catch to the beat. I'll keep the beat, you catch along with me. And when you're ready, I want you to see if you can't close your eyes. Are you ready for the challenge? Here we go, whānau. Toru whā. And when you're ready, you can try this with your eyes closed. No peeking. Fantastic. Ka pai. Two more. Tahi, rua, hau. Kia ora whānau. Ka pai, how was your catching? Was good? A little bit tricky for some, I know. Okay, but hey, practice and always remember, there's no stress in Kapahaka with kids. Okay, you do what you can. If it's a little bit tricky, kei te pai. We're not going to nationals. Okay, we're just here to have some fun, learn some new skills. You ready, team? Here we go. 4 catch, rainbow spin. 4 catch, rainbow spin. You know it. Toru whā. Tahi, rua, toru whā. Tahi, rua, toru whā. Tahi, rua, toru whā. Tahi, rua, toru whā. Son, just face the camera so it doesn't put people off. Toru whā. Tahi, rua, toru whā. Spin. Tahi, rua, toru whā. Kia ora, ka pai. So here we go, team. Pūrere hua, toru whā. Pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki pariro, don't forget to smile. Ka piki runga rawa e. Smile! Papa ki pariro, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papa ki pariro, rere runga hau. Kiraro! Hope! Ka pai. Let's move on to our next move. So holding the poi on the tinana above the fiore. Here we go. Take that poi over the shoulder that's holding it. Good. Take your free hand out in front. Fold it in towards the body but not touching. Throughout this movement, we want to keep this arm nice and high. We don't want to get down to here. We don't want to bring it in here. We want to keep it high in front. So lay the poi now over the top of the hand. And as you pull on it, it will swing towards you. And you're going to catch it towards you. Kapai. So here we go. Shoulder, hand, catch. Let me show you from the other side. Shoulder, hand, catch. Kapai. It's called the boom boom catch. Let's go, team. Toro fa. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch.
Catch it.
Shoulder, hand, catch. And if you find it tricky to catch the poi after the spin, you can catch it against your body. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Two more. Tahi. Catch. Arua. Catch. Kapai. How was your shoulder, hand catch?
Ow. Ow.
Good. Well, keep it up. Keep it up. So let's go. Shoulder, hand, catch. That's one single. Shoulder, hand, catch. That's our second single. Shoulder, hand, other shoulder, hand, the first shoulder, hand, and catch.
Ow.
Kapai. That's the triple up.
Smile.
That's when we go to 3 shoulders. So here we go. Let's try that again. Single, shoulder, hand, catch. Single, shoulder, hand, catch. Triple up. Shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand, catch. Single, shoulder, hand, catch. Single,
Shoulder, hand, catch.
triple up.
Shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand.
Kia ora. Let's do 2 of those just continuous, yeah? Are you ready? Poi kia rite. Toru, fa. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand, catch. A shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, catch. Shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand, catch. Kapai! Did you get it? 2 rotations? Oh, so good. So good, whānau. Suck it in for a while. Ah, that was cool, man. That's a tricky move, and you guys are doing really, really well. Keep it up. Keep it up. So can we add that into our combination, eh? 4 catch, rainbow spin. 4 catch, rainbow spin. 4 catch, rainbow spin. And then the shoulder hand combination about 3 to 4 times. We'll see how many fits. Are you ready?
Ready, Jari?
Poi kia rite. 4 catch. Toru, fa. Purere huarere runga hau. Papaki parira urere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki parira urere runga hau. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki parira, take it to your shoulder. Ka tau runga pua, triple up. Ka whānau hua, a pūrere single. Ka tahi ka rua, ka single ka wha. Ka ru, ka re, take it to the top. Pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papaki parira, rere runga hau. Slow it out. Ka piki runga rawae. Papaki parira, rere runga hau. Kia ora. Kiraro.
Right.
Hope. Kiraro.
Do it properly.
Ha kiroto.
Last chance.
Ha kiwaho. Ha kiroto. Ha kiwaho. Ka pai. That's some really good poi skill. And we're about to try something now which is even harder than the shoulder. Ka pai. It follows the same pattern as shoulder hand catch, but this time we're just working on the free hand. If I can give you one piece of advice for this next move, it's to always start your rotation going up. You need your first contact to meet the palm of your hand. Okay? It'll make sense in about 8 seconds. Here we go. Holding your poi on the tinana, just above the fiore. Ka pai. Here it is. From here, we're going to swing our poi into the palm of our hand. Then we're going to take it to the back of our hand. And then back to the palm for our catch. Ka pai. Let's try that again. We go up, palm, back, catch. Up for the palm, back of the hand, catch. Kia ora. How was that? Not too bad. Good, good. Well, let's go through that technique one more time. Always starting your rotation up into the palm of your hand first, into the back of your hand, and then back into the palm for the catch. Like I said, this is the trickiest one so far. So, here we go. Toru, fa, up, boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom, catch. Up, boom, boom. Kia ora. Doing all right, son? Oh, she's tricky, eh, mate? Yeah, she's a tricky one. So let me show you one more thing with that bang bang catch, kapai. If I go the wrong way, to start, look where my poi ends up. See, I'm trying to catch the poi, but it's on the wrong side. Yeah? So here we go. Always start your rotations up. If you're left-handed, same for you as well. Always starting your rotation up.
Smile.
Kapai? Maybe I'll go left for a little bit just to help you out so you can mirror me, eh? How's that? Yeah, that's great. Okay, let's do that then. Kiraro, hoppe, poi karite, boom, boom, catch, toru, fa. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Two more. Boom, boom, catch. One more. Boom, boom, catch. Back to the top. Toru, fa. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Kia ora. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking, Matua Whaitiri, you shouldn't have worn a white hoodie on Poi Day. Yeah? I hope you can still see it moving. So here we go, whānau. Let's go after me. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, 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 catch.
Bum, 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 bum.
Awesome. Show it with the poi. Toru, single. Boom, boom, catch. Single. Boom, boom, catch. Triple up. 1, 2, ho! Kia ora. Try that again. Toru, fa. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, 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 catch. It's hard left hand for me. I'll try it one more time though. Let's go. Toru, fa, up. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, boom, catch. Boom, 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 catch. Go, boy! Put your hand up if you got it. Oh, there's a few. Well done.
Lots of hearts,
Ka
lots of
pai
hearts.
whānau. Whew. It got really bright here all of a sudden, and I'm squinting through the camera at the moment. So I can only just see you, but yeah, it's good. It's good. Here we go. Kiraro. Hope. Poikarite. Alright, alright, alright. Let's go. 4 catch. Rainbow spin. 4 catch. Rainbow spin. into the shoulder hand catch, shoulder hand catch, shoulder hand, shoulder hand, shoulder hand catch. Let's do that a couple of times. Oh, the Kingi Sato family is tuning in from Japan. Kia ora. Hey, if there's anyone out there that's tuning in further than Japan, please let us know in the comments. Kia ora maka, kia ora tama, hey, ka pai. So here we go, Kiraro, and Kezia is in here from Normandale. Hoppe, poi karite, let's do that combination. Toru, fa, tahi, rua, toru, fa, spin, tahi, rua, toru, fa, catch, tahi, rua, toru, fa, spin, tahi, rua, take it to the shoulder, boom, boom, catch, boom, boom, catch, boom, 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 catch, boom, boom, catch, boom, boom, catch, boom, 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 catch. Kapai, take it to the hand, boom, boom, catch, boom, boom, catch, boom, 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 catch, a boom, boom, catch, a boom, boom, catch, a boom, 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 boom. You got it! Woo! Nice! Ka pai koutou. Hey, kia ora Kason from Perth. Hey, tuning in all the way over there. Ka pai. So, baby, can you grab my glasses? Or sunglasses?
Yeah.
From upstairs? It's really bright at the moment. Kiraro!
We've just gone 11:30.
So we've got one more move before we finish out the course today. One more move. This is one of my favourites. Kapai. It goes like this. Let's go to the shoulder and then cut across to the other side of your body to the hip. Sassy hip if you must. Then go back to the other hip and then go back to the shoulder. Then we do the hand catch. Kapai. It's called the shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Toru fa. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Oh, that's better. Oh, wrong ones. Oh, that's not as good. Here we go. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. 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 Oh, that's got to be my favourite one, and you know why, don't you? Yeah, because of the hip hip. Can't play. So here we are. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Last one. Shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Oh, tamariki ma. Let's do this. Let's go through all of our moves so far today. We know first off where to hold the poi, don't we? Kia ora. And let's give that poi a nice little rotation. We can spin up, down, in, out, sides, over, over, full circle if we must. Ka pai? We can catch. Yeah, we can. We can shoulder hand catch. We can hand catch. We can shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch. Oh boy. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to sing you through one of my own poi songs, and then you just follow me through as best you can. Kapai? I'll sing the waiata, you follow me through. Are you ready? Kia ora. Toru fa. Poi poi e, poi poi e, Re atu, poe poe e. Poe poe e, poe poe e. Re atu, poe poe e. Ti patu patu o, ti patu mai. Re atu, ti patu mai. Ti patu patu o, ti patu mai. Re atu, ti patu mai. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. How did you get on? Did you follow through the whole thing? Perfect. Well, hey, look, it's 11:34. So I'm going to give you one last little poi with me this morning, okay? Here's the rules for this last poi song. You can do whatever poi moves and whatever poi combinations that you want to do, ka pai? You don't have to copy me now. If you want to do some spinning, you spin. If you want to catch, you catch. If you want to throw it over the shoulder, hit the hips, whatever you want to do, that's entirely up to you. I'll sing the song and I'm going to be doing some moves, but I want you this time to freestyle your poi. Ka pai? I just want you to have some fun because you know what? You will learn more poi playing with it than you will in a lesson with me. So enjoy your poi. Have a little play. I'll sing. I'll be doing some poi. Yeah, but I want you to freestyle out this last poi song. Are you ready? Here we go. Kiraro. Hope. Poi kia rite. Toru. Fa. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Poi poi e. Poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Ti patu patu o, ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Ti patu patu o, ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. A little bit faster, eh? Toru fa. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Re atu poi poi e. Ti patu patu o, ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Ti patu patu o, ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, hey, hey, ha. Oh, poi, poi, mai. Ka pai. He rawe. He rawe tō koutou mahi poi I tēnei rā. Thank you so much for tuning in for our poi workshop. If you have friends or whānau that want to jump on board with hashtag Kapahaka for kids, then absolutely share this one with them. Because as we progress through the following days of the week and moving into next week, we're just going to be adding poi in as if we were already familiar with it. Ka pai? So revisit this one if you need to practice those skills. I won't introduce any skills in our poi, yeah, in our kapahaka, other than the moves that we've done today. These are the moves that I'll be drawing on over the next couple of weeks, all right? If we get to the point where everyone's got these down, you know, really, really well, we can look at some additional moves. But for now, this is enough moves to get us through a couple of poi songs in every session. Ka pai? Hope you enjoyed our poi workshop today. Just a couple more shout outs. We got the Funaki whānau, Sean Martin and his whānau, Shelley Easthope. The Easthopes are tuning in. Elliot and Fraser from Normandale. And a birthday. I've got Suila was 10 yesterday. Rā whānau ki a koe e hoa. And for the other birthdays that I missed yesterday, aroha mai, I lost my list. But rā whānau hoki ki a koutou. Don't forget, at the beginning of each session, if you're having a birthday or you want me to make a birthday shout out to anybody out there, comment in the first 5 minutes so Samara can get those names down. And then as we get underway, she'll collect that list and I'll shout you out at the end. Kapai. Thank you so much, whānau. Don't forget, check out the YouTube channel. That might be an easier way to find these lessons. Kapai. Kapahaka for kids, matua Whaitiri Poutawa. Tēnā koutou e whānau mā. Ka nui taku mihi aroha ki a koutou. Kia pai tō rā.
Wave, babies. Babies.